Everyone, it's Sammy from Scrapmaster's Paradise, and today I was working on getting some photos ready for printing, and so I thought I would sit down and talk about my process. I have not felt scrappy at all. You guys have known this. I've struggled with having scrapbook motivation, but I'm still keeping up with my pictures on a weekly basis. So I plan on still doing a 2-page spread for every week, and I am just editing the photos as I feel motivated, but I'm still organizing and keeping track. So I take a bunch of photos throughout the week, and I put the best ones in albums. So I have an iPhone here, and this is just the Photos app. You can create new albums. Up at the top here, it says new album, and then I just title it the week dates. So I'll say May, whatever days, and then I put photos in that as I know that they're really good photos that I want to scrapbook. And so that's what I've done here. I have a week for every week that I still need to print, which goes back to March. I just worked on March 4th through 10th. And so this is the album that I just did. And so I will go ahead and put in my favorite photos throughout the week, or Saturday or Sunday night. I sit down and organize and get rid of the ones that I thought about later and decided not to use. This week I ended up using a bunch of photos, but it's not always the case. The first thing is I back up all my photos using Amazon Prime photos. So I have Amazon Prime. It gives me unlimited photo backups, and so I always have my photos backed up there. But I can delete these from this album and not delete them from my phone if you want to save them on your phone. So if I'm clicking on one and I delete it, it gives me the option to just remove it from the album or delete it from your phone altogether. And so I don't have to worry about, getting rid of them if I want to keep them on my phone. They're just in this album for organization purposes. In this case, I did a lot of photo collages using PicFrame, and I still do the journaling using the Little Moments app. I will link to my video tutorials for that, but I really like having them separated by week. I don't know what took me so long to organize them by week, but it's really helped me streamline everything. I can keep up with my photos, even though I'm not really keeping up with my album. I've got a week set up for all the weeks I still need to print, and so this one I'm actually done with, and so I just delete it. And it does not delete the photos when you just delete the album, so the photos are still on my phone, but I'm done with that one, so I go ahead and delete it when I'm done printing my photos, and then I can move on to the next one, which is March 11th through 17th. But I have weeks from all of the weeks up to this current week, which is the week that started with Mother's Day, so May 13th through 19th. I do Sunday to Saturday in this album this year. So it's a really easy way for me to keep track of photos even when I'm not scrapbooking. It seems like I always have my phone with me, so I can just organize them whenever I feel like it and keep up with it from week to week. And so far I have 2 photos in here, just a Mother's Day photo and then just one of Olivia. So far, not very much for this week, but like last week I had 17 photos, and I'll go through and pick the best. Like I had 3 photos that I might choose from for her sliding down a slide. And I'll just pick my favorite ones of these. I'll look back at it at the end of the week and think, I don't really like this photo, or it's not print worthy, and I'm really trying to narrow it down. It seems like most week I have like, I don't know, 14 photos, but some of them are really high. Like this one, March, I had 30. In this one I have 32 photos, but we did our bluebonnet photos, so I'll do a separate spread for our bluebonnet photos, and we also had an Easter party. I might end up doing an Easter party spread too, so then I have 2 extra pages for that week. And looking forward, again, April 1st to 7th, that's Easter, so I have a lot of Easter photos in here. I may do something with that as well that's not just a 2-page spread. So anyway, I just wanted to show you guys how I'm still keeping up with my photos and albums. I'm keeping them organized here, and I just edit them as I have time or as I feel like it. Like this morning I have a chunk of time, so I went ahead and edited 1 week, and I went ahead and stuck it in my albums. Let's zoom back out. And again, I haven't scrapbooked at all. I just stuck the photos actually in the album. So I've got my spread here that's going to be the traditional page. Is just of Olivia and her daddy on the seesaw. It was the first time she really liked riding on the seesaw. And then a bunch of other photos for that week as well. But that's pretty much it. I just wanted to share this organizing with you, especially because I'm not scrapbooking. That way my photos are there when I'm ready to scrapbook. I have a bunch of weeks to choose from. I can scrapbook at any point in time when I'm feeling like it. So I just wanted to share this with you. I hope you guys found it helpful. If you're looking for a way to organize your photos and get them ready, this has just been such an easy way for me to keep them organized on here. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will catch you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.